So in today's video, I'll show you how to use the built-in extension rod on your Osmo Mobile, DJI Osmo Mobile 8P. As you can see, I have the device right here, and if you'd like to use the built-in extension rod, you just need to pull it like so. Now you can see it extends the rod. This is basically the length of the rod. It's, I think, quite enough for typical use. Now, what else can you do with it is you can tilt it right here in order to achieve the results you want. For example, if for low angle shooting, you can tilt it down, then attach your phone upside down, like hold the camera upside down, so it's down there, and you can still hold it, so that may be pretty useful. Yeah, you can fold it, you can unfold it just a little bit or fold it fully. You can unfold it a little bit and tilt it in case you need it. So yeah, it may also function as a selfie stick if you just unfold it and tilt it like so. Then you'll see like the phone will be like so. So there's many different possibilities. You can also use the built-in tripod, but with the rod extended, the tripod may be a little unstable. So as you can see, all the legs can be unfolded like that, and then it makes a tripod. But as I said, it may be unstable, so in those cases I'd recommend, if you want to extend the rod and set it on a tripod, I'd recommend using the screw here and using a separate larger and more stable tripod in order to achieve better stability. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.